How to use Inateck docking station to clone a hard drive. Step 1. Connect the power adapter to the docking station. Note, the target disk must be larger than the source disk. Step 2. Put hard drives into the docking station. Step 3. Press and hold the offline clone button for 3 seconds. Step 4. Quickly press the button again. Step 5. One by one 4 LED indicators will flash and be on 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. 4 lights will stay on when 100% completed.